Hey guys, welcome to episode one of the Detroit Pistons My Career series. Not my career, my league. Just gonna start with regular season. And of course, we're using the Pistons. Here they are. No preferences. And first episode, my goal is to get in the all 80 overall starting five. And yeah, I'm gonna load in the draft class. Let's load in the dad draft class because dad always makes a draft classes. Yes, storylines. And okay, so trade finder. Cade Cunningham, you're gone. That's all I can say. I'm playing terrible in real life. And so I've done some experimentations, and I think is there a universe where I can get Jordan Poole in this trade? Be championship team, gotcha. But how about a pick change first? With a pick change the idea, and with another pick change, and a first round pick, and another. Okay, but I do know for a fact I can get. I think you're just gonna press the words. I can get Klay Thompson and Otto Porter for Cade Cunningham. If they even give me a, yeah, they didn't give me a pick. Do it. Okay. So now our teams are already a lot better. And now let's look at the Hornets. Miles Bridges is pretty easy to get. So yeah, let's just give away Killian Hayes. And we can get Mason. See if we can get someone else. A chance, right? Oh yeah, no chance. Mason put this in there. PJ Washington? I agree with you. Huh? Okay. So now we have the starting lineup. It looks like this. Let's just move. Who's better at small forward? You look pretty good small forward. You don't look pretty good small. So let's move him to small forward. Shooting guard. Killer Hank, you can play there. Let's look for a good point guard. And how about we just rob the Charlotte again for Terry Rozier? So I know his overall goes up. Let's put him at. Yeah. Yeah. Do this trade. Because the worst player he gets better than the second best. Okay. Move you to a point guard. Your overall go up a little bit. And now we just need now we stay a good center and we will be good. You might have a little bit of value, Beast too. Montrezl Harrell. I'm probably gonna do that. Mr. Robinson. I think the Montrezl Harrell deal is the one we're gonna do. Okay. So after even after not even a long recording, only after 5 minutes of recording, we have one of the best rosters in the league. Look at this. It's beautiful. I don't really want to change that. Why do I keep going there? Just make sure the rotation's right. And let's go have fixes. I don't know what I'm away from him. Let's make it a 8-9 rotation. Because we don't have first come from Clay. Second is gonna be him. And third is going to be Jeremy Grant. Actually, let's put Miles Bridges there. And let's have Jeremy Grant there. Okay. So let's play our first game against the Magic. Sounds good. We win our first game. Win our second game. We won by a total of 3 points. Oh, we win. Let's try to move you and throw in for Marcus Smart. Nah, okay. So if you can beat this team. No, okay. But it was close. Klay Thompson playing good, dude. Let's see we're gonna break some records this year. Okay. So free agents. Isaiah Thomas. It's sad he didn't get re-signed. Alright. So let's go to coach game plan. Did I ever change it? No, I didn't. Offensive tempo, KG star, shooter well. I want high scoring games. I want high action. Okay, let's beat this team. Klay Thompson, we have a great team. We completely ruined the Charlotte Hornets. We finessed. That's what we do. This is gonna be the mic. This is season 1, episode 1. We've got to have a good episode. So we're probably just gonna play this one game in this episode. My plan was okay. I need to fix something. Quit. No. Okay, so we're gonna be playing on 12-minute quarters, but we ain't playing 12 minutes. I'm only gonna do that. So my league settings, 12 minutes and normalized played. There we go. Let's do this. Okay. So actually, if I get copyrighted for that, I'm just gonna cut that out of the video. Hey, if you want to add my video for free, I accept it. I want to make sure my settings are alright. We don't do shop meter. Okay, everything's good. Don't back up. Instead, I say it is control. And they don't even know. If you want me, I don't want you to back up. I'm gonna need you to back up. Oh no. Good start to the game, guys. Immaculate. What difficulty we're on? Let's make sure we're on All-Star. Why click on score number 22? That fixed that. Okay. FYI, I love Klay Thompson's jump shot, so it's probably gonna be a lot of jump shots taken this game. I wouldn't be surprised if Klay breaks every single known to man record. Come on, money. Easy. And Jeremy's having a bad. Oh, steal. Jeremy's still having a bad year, considering that this team is suited for success. We have big aspirations this year. We didn't before I stepped in, but they hired a new general manager. Okay. Let's go. I know Montrezl. Does he ever start in real life? I don't think so. Oh, that's another bit different to break down. We need to. I think I might go into a zone, but because I don't trust the Magic to be able to move threes. Green. See, I don't trust them to hit threes on me. I'm only scared that I'm going in the paint. So I have no idea how to run a zone. I'm just gonna do my best. That did not work. That zone's supposed to be there, you're not be able to score in the paint. Green. Bean. Okay, that did not work. Let's just go back to a man. Remember how I wonder if they call it a man in the WNBA. Okay, Miles. I'm gonna be like the Hornets announcers if I don't care. I do hire the Hornets announcers. That did not work. Okay, in my career, I have my career where I'm on the Magic. Step. Can you just give me some space? Green Bean. Klay. Oh, look at the cutouts. Okay. Wendell Carter Jr. is clapping us. Do we have? Oh yeah, we only have one person left that's originally on this team. The Pistons are trash. So like, I'm sorry, but they are. They have 6 wins this season. I have a slightly suspicion that we're gonna win a little bit more than 6 games this year. With the insane in the membrane. Okay, why did it tell me to go to? I don't even know anymore. Oh, we're still in the zone. Apparently, I don't want that. Montrezl on James. Oh, come on. Dude, Montrezl, the center. You can't be like that. Okay. Rudy Gobert. I didn't know he was that high last year. I know he's like 70% this year. I have a friend named Mo. Mo Bamba. We're still in his zone? No, we're not. Yay. Jeremy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Get them toes, boy. Alright? Okay, okay. The number of and ones hit this game is astonishing. It really is. Okay. Look down for a second. Okay, back. 3, okay. Okay. But they're like, why are you feeding it to Clay? He's not having a good game. He will have a good game. I don't care what you say. Oh, I blew that so hard. Oh, to beat the buzzer. What? I used to play in Hall of Fame difficulty, but okay. And they don't even hit those shots in Hall of Fame difficulty. Well, if you hit this, I swear. Okay, good. Green. Okay. I have a feeling episode 1's gonna be over soon. I wonder why I have that feeling. Okay. Bench unit, time to come in. I think we're just gonna end up. I need to set like I need to turn rotations on. Who's old for? Oh yeah, I need to have Clay on in the second unit. Oh, okay. I didn't green it, but I guess it was green. You know, 2K actually lied to us. Oh. Okay, Montrez. You good? This is what I call the auto porter quarter. Auto porter quarter, auto porter quarter. Oh, why is Alex Magic off the bench if he's what? I don't understand things with this Magic team. Remember he was like remember last year he ran like every single defensive POY. Defensive POY. Yes. Yes, that I believe that's the correct phrasing of the word. Okay, so I think this is good enough. Just simulate to the end of this game. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Come on, boys. Clay had a good game. Otto Porter, and goodbye.